everyone, this is Selina. Welcome back to one of my videos. I hope you're well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Selina and I release crochet tutorials and free patterns. And today I'm very excited to bring to you this video about everything that I crocheted in August. And I actually went to get all the crochet items I made in August, and I really loved making every single one of them. Of course, all these projects can be found on my blog selinaveronique.com. The link will be in the description box, and also on my YouTube channel. So every single crochet project item I show you will be in my YouTube channel as a full tutorial. I will also be linking all of those in the description box. So this is possibly my favorite crochet item that I made in August. And this is my favorite crochet item that I made in a long time, I think. I absolutely love this shawl. It's so beautiful. The colors are so lovely. I really enjoyed making this design. And let me know in the comments which was your favorite crochet project for the month of August. I love to get your feedback, but honestly, this was definitely one of my favorites to date, and I absolutely loved it. And if you're interested in making it, the link will be in the description box. So this was my top #1 crochet item that I made. So another crochet project I made was this granny square headband, and it's so pretty, it's so lovely. It is made with 100% cotton yarn, and I absolutely love it. Yes, so this is also a crochet project I made, and I'm actually really looking forward to September when I will be making more crochet tutorials. I'm very excited for the autumn winter, and don't forget to drop in the comment section what tutorials you would like to see in the future. Another crochet project that I made was this vintage clutch bag purse. I absolutely love it. I really love this one. It's so pretty, and as you can see, it features a delicate little diamante on the front, and it features the griddle stitch, and I just love this. It was made and crocheted with actual vintage yarn that I bought in a charity shop a few months ago, and I actually made a shawl which matches this this purse. And yes, I made this with this yarn that was actually produced in the UK, and I just love it. I need to line this. I haven't had time to line this yet, but I definitely will. And this makes a great gift also. I love it. And it's also a very versatile project. You can use it for anything. You can even use it to put your crochet hooks in or anything, just for an evening out, and I just love this. So I'm not presenting these projects in any type of order. So this is just what I made in August, and I actually was pleasantly surprised with all these projects that I made. August was a bit different for me because my little boy was off the entire month of August, and so it was lovely to spend so much time with him, but it was very busy. So now September is upon us and back to school, so I'm really looking forward for to do more crochet related work. And so I also made this lovely little pastel scrunchie. I absolutely adore these. They're so pretty, and they can be made in under 5 minutes because the yarn used is this kind of chenille velvet type of yarn that's quite chunky, and it's such a fast project. As you can see, I made 2 in 2 different colors, and these are a perfect market make, just because they're a very fast and lovely project. I love this project. And this project also, this crochet shawl, I absolutely adore this. This is my latest vintage crochet series shawl. It's so pretty, and it features a lovely half double crochet design and a double loop edging. And I actually made this this shawl a few months ago, but because when I completed it we were in literally, I think, beginning of July, when it was really like full on summer, it felt wrong to release a shawl tutorial then. I thought it was better to wait until end of August, beginning of September to release this this tutorial. So I've been excited about this for a few months now, and I absolutely love it, and I can't wait to bring more shawl tutorials your way. I really love those, and I'm very excited about this. So let me know in the comments if you've made any of these projects. And last but not least, I did make this lovely little market bag. So this is such a cute project. I love it. And I love making crochet projects that actually are so useful. For instance, this wasn't made in August. I think I made this in July. But this is my crochet hook case, and I have been using this every single day since I made it. It's so amazing. I love it, and I definitely recommend that you make this too. And I love the design of this, and I love making crochet projects that are not only pretty but really useful too. And let me know in the comments which is your most useful crochet item that you made. I know that I love making a crochet item that I'll just use and use over and over again. I just love that, and I'm really excited about this new season. So anyways, I just wanted to film everything that I made in August. It was a lot of fun to film this video, and I'm hoping to film many more videos in the coming months. Let me know in the comments which video you want to see in the future, and I'll be sure to make that, to film that. And in the meantime, I hope you have a lovely day filled with crochet, and I'll speak to you in my next video. Bye bye!